My name is Michael Young, and I'm a lawyer who handles will contests in Texas. A big issue in will contests is testamentary capacity. Did the testator, the person making the will, have sufficient mental capacity to understand what they were doing in making a will? The Texas law is a very specific test regarding that, but essentially it's common sense. Did they have the mental capacity to understand who their family was, what the nature of their assets were, and what they were doing? Now, sometimes this will come up with younger people who are facing some sort of really severe illness, or maybe unfortunately they have late stage cancer and they're receiving a lot of medications, oftentimes painkillers such as morphine, which will impact their ability to make rational and reasonable decisions. But oftentimes, particularly these days with an aging population, much more often I see dementia. And dementia is a progressive disease. And oftentimes in Texas law, you'll hear someone defending a will contest saying, well, yes, they had dementia, and yes, the doctor said it was severe, but they had a lucid moment. Well, Texas courts recognize moments of lucidity and say that, well, just because generally a person had lost capacity, they may have some lucid moments where they're having a really good day and they can understand what they are doing and making a will. And Texas law will say that if the proponent of the will can prove that, then the will can be admitted to probate. And I'm not here to tell you that's not possible, but I will tell you in cases of dementia, that is fairly rare, and people with particularly advanced stages of dementia, their good day may be that they can recognize their family members. They can hear a song and recognize it, or they can see a movie and recognize it. But in my experience, it generally doesn't mean that they can handle the understanding of sophisticated financial transactions or the making of a will or a trust or the implications of that. So when someone says they were having a good day with dementia, Alzheimer's, unfortunately that's a very relative term, and that doesn't mean that they were having a good day, that they had the capacity of an average person, or that they understood what they were doing in signing a sophisticated document or beneficiary designation. But if you're involved in a will contest, whether you're wanting to contest a will, or if somebody has contested a will that you're offering for probate, feel free to give me a call.